Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to increase your SEO traffic using phrase.io. So let's get started. As you can see, we are looking at phrase.io, and if you don't know what is phrase.io is, let me tell you, it's one of the best thing out there in my opinion. Why? Because phrase.io is an AI powered content creation and SEO optimization tool. It helps you to research, plan, write, and optimize your content for better search engine ranking and organic traffic. If someone don't know what is search engine ranking, uh, let's say if I want to search on Google, so this is the phrase.io search engine optimization. So what happens that if I search for phrase.io, the phrase.io will show up at the top. Whatever it is related to phrase.io and how you have written it. So let's say if I say FRSE, I will end up over here. So that's the reason that optimization is very important, and this is what search engine ranking also, that you will end up at the top ranking, right? And you are over here. So this is very important, and people are very struggling to to get compete over the top, obviously. And obviously this is one of the example. And if you search like Ray-Ban or Samsung or Apple, they will end up at the top, obviously. Why? Because they optimize their content on their website. Whenever we search for Apple, they will end up over here. So that's why optimization is very important, and people should use it. And obviously, it also simplifies our search engine rank result page also. So whatever you search, obviously, this is the result we are getting, which is called search engine result page, and it will simplifies for us. Obviously, it generates AI content and optimize existing content, and also streamlines content creation workflow. Phrase offers various tools to plagiarism, checker, and paraphrasing tools and content calendar to manage your content process effectively. So to do and to start it, obviously, get started, click on that option, and you will end up over here. Here you can see you just need to sign up with your Google account, or you can go with your work email and then your name and password. Just click on sign up. It might take you to the pricing plan. Obviously, it's not free, and with this powerful tool, if you cannot get it for free, believe me, this is one of the best tools out there in my opinion, and people are struggling to get the best ranking. So they are taking full advantage of it, obviously, and we've got the plan for you, obviously, and we have at least three over here. And the first one is $15 per month, $45 per month, and the one $15 per month. So you can see over here they are allowing us only for one user seat, and the team member only have 3 seats. But the best part is that you can only optimize 4 articles per month with solo, and even with the basic you are able to do with 30 articles, and with the team you have unlimited access. So they are taking full advantage of this tool, and in my opinion they should do it because this is one of the best out there. So as you can see, keyword search volume would be impressive. Phrase AI writer, this would also save a lot of time for us, and a lot of stuff which we minimized because of this tool only. So once you enter all of this, you will start working on this. And if you want to work on this before, phrase.io allows you to do that. So how you can do that? You might see something like this on their website also. So you can see over here, create SEO content fast with AI. And if you scroll down until you see this option, they are allowing us to, like, how it works. Like obviously, if you are going to pay that much money, you need to know how it works and how it's going to help me out. So this is the example they are showing us, that if you are like writing inbound marketing article, and this is how it's written, right? And what you need to do, just click on this and start working on it. On the right side we have research, outline, optimized links, and AI tools. So let's see how it works. So once you click on let's go option over here, you will see something like this. Here you can see all the results related to this specific article. I'm not even selected anything, but you can see over here we have a lot of stuff over here. So let's start from the top. Words, how many words has been used. As you can see, average words in our article are used for like 2000, actually 2000 average search in search, right? They are optimizing every single day and letting us know what words you can choose. And if you scroll down, you will see that the headings you can choose for your own, if you want to change, because it will optimize your writing, right? So as you can see, attracting strategies, there is no attracting strategies heading over here, but they are telling you to use these to get optimized, and otherwise it won't work, right? It won't be optimized that much for the search engine rankings. And if you scroll down more, you will see all the stuff related to it also. So there's a lot of stuff they are providing us, even though if you enter only article, right? And obviously we have all the necessary articles knowledge over here, like you can view from like full screen and drag and drop. We have a lot of stuff over here which is necessary for obviously articles. They are adding all those stuff over here. Even you can add images and videos also. So let's say you want to see related to something about this, right? So what you can do, just highlight this, and on the right side in the headings menu you can see, just highlight this from over here, or you can just copy that and paste that over here, in my opinion. So you can see that how many headings you can use from over here. And we have outlines over here also, like what the outlines you can go with. And we have instructions, like once you have an outline, you can provide instruction for each heading, so phrase AI can execute them and deliver as first draft. We have optimization. Obviously, if you want to optimize, you need to enter all those stuff. If you click on this, you can see what are the most important things are available over here. You can use that to optimize your, obviously, your article, right? And if you go back, you can see how many things we have entered and like valuable content. So it's okay one by one. Here you can see that you didn't mention any target audience, so you can add that over here, and it would, obviously they are showing the sources obviously over here. But the most important thing, that you don't need to add it by yourself. Once you have your obviously phrase.io, you can just tell the phrase.io to add this, and they will do it by itself. Like I said, it would minimize a lot of work, and a lot of stuff will be optimized by itself. You don't need to do anything. And phrase.io AI capability is one of the best out there. We have AI tools also over here, like background and keyword to include, use SERP topics, which I said, like search engine result page. So they will include that also. So this is in my opinion, one of the most strongest tool out there that would be helpful for your article. Like say you have a blog website, this website is very useful for you. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to increase your SEO traffic using phrase.io. This website will help you a lot in any single way you are looking for to upgrade your SEO traffic. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.